So imagine yourself sitting in a room with 2 needles stuck in your arm, and you're getting your blood filtered. You do this for 2 to 5 hours every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for the rest of your life. This is the life of a patient who is going through an end-stage kidney disease. My name is Sujal Bulakia. I'm the CEO of NuVascular Technologies, and our mission is to improve the life of the patient who are going through end-stage kidney disease. No matter how you access blood for dialysis, whether it's through a catheter or by creating a fistula or by surgically putting in a graft, the products have a ton of complications and have a very high failure rate, all leading to poor clinical outcomes. And after a few weeks and a few months, this is what your arm looks like. High infection rates, bleeding, your arm swells up, there's a lack of healing, all leading to a lot more interventions causing pain and suffering and more expenses. We believe if we can improve healing, we can reduce the complications and significantly improve the outcome for the patients who are undergoing this treatment. Our first product, a vascular graft, has a unique spider web-like structure using the electrospinning technology specifically aimed at improving the healing. These are some of the common issues which are related with access. Poor scaffold for cell growth. Our product, which is a graft, has a structure which mimics body's natural scaffold, helping in healing. We have great self-sealing properties, so we don't leave a hole once the needle is removed. We have great kink resistance, and we don't see suture line bleeding. This is a big deal when you're doing a vascular surgery. So how do we get better healing properties? This is a picture of body's natural scaffold. That's where the cells grow on. This is a typical Teflon graft, which is currently available in the marketplace. The body rejects it, and it creates fibrotic tissue reaction. You compare that to a structure of random fibers, which are basically created using the electrospinning process, mimics body's natural scaffold, which is what the cells like. They grow onto it, they grow into it, and create the healing, creating tissue engineering within the body. Our product also self-seals, which is important when you remove the needle, not leaving a hole, and also important, which will give you early access and also minimize suture line bleeding. And our product has phenomenal kink resistance, so you can cannulate the entire product where it's looped, a feature that's not available with the competition because they have external rings placed in this region. So how do we achieve this? The process is the electrospinning process, which has been developed over the last many years using $7 million in grant funding. And we have strong patent protection. It's a beginning of a portfolio, and what's so unique about it is the ability to actually include drugs right into the fibers, which opens up a tremendous application not only in the medical device space, but in the biotech space and the pharma space. By numbers, there's about 3 million people worldwide undergoing hemodialysis, about 500,000 in the US alone. The average cost to treat this patient is very high, about $84,000. About 7% of Medicare budget is spent on this. There's about 130,000 new patients that will require dialysis, a market that's growing at a rate of 5 to 6%, creating an addressable market opportunity of about $325 million in the US and $2 billion globally. We've completed the proof of concept. We're doing a small safety study, and we're starting to raise money so we can launch the product in December of next year. In summary, there's not been This whole field has been static since 1965, and it's lacked innovation since the Teflon grafts were first introduced. And there's a clear need to improve both the quality of patient care and reduce the cost of the healthcare. We believe a product, which is a simple Class II device with an existing reimbursement, is the beginning of a product portfolio. We have a great leadership team. A lot of us are in the audience, including Matthew Fanoff, who's the inventor and the co-founder. We're well supported by a great scientific advisory board and a business board. And I'd like to just close out by saying that we'd like to start a journey to make a difference by improving the patient care. Would like you to join us. Please visit us outside. Thank you.